Hey guys, it's Boris Schlossberg. Ever be in a position where you want to be in a trade, but you want to have a short target and a long target, and you want to make sure that the moment your short target is hit, the stop goes to break even, and you don't have any risk on the trade? All of that is incredibly tedious and very difficult to do in MetaTrader 4. But I think I have just a tool for you to help you with that. Here comes the BK Trade Manager. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So to show you how it works, I'm going to actually go both ways just to show you how the trades are done. In this panel over here, I'm going to go short the NASDAQ. And in this panel over here, I'm going to go long the NASDAQ. So in both cases, we have a situation where the first target is 10, the second target is 20 points, and the stop is actually 20. So one of the cool things, by the way, that we can do is after we've already made the trade, we can adjust anything in the box. So now I'm going to adjust this to a 20 stop. But here's the interesting part. As soon as I find something that's going to run for me in my direction, let's find this one. Let's say it's now starting to go down, right? And I want to move my take profit to just 3. I want to show you what happens if and when it hits the 3 take profit. Actually, now it's running the other way, so I'm going to try to balance it the other way. Let's see if we can put the take profit here at 3. And whichever one hits first, what you're going to see is that the stop is going to go right away to break even, so I will have no risk on the trade. So let's see which one of these guys gets to 3 first. Here's this one. Right away, you see the stop goes to break even. I have no risk on the trade, and now I'm fully out of this trade as the price retraced just a little bit. It just gives you the idea of how easy it is to automate the process and basically make sure that when you're scalping or even when you're trading for longer term positions, you are never going to be at any additional risk that you don't have to be. Also, by the way, you can use the close button to just manually close the trade if you want to. So that's one aspect of Trade Manager. The other interesting aspect of Trade Manager is that it can create pending trades as well as just simply market trades. So if we want to create a pending trade in NASDAQ, so let's say we want to sell this but perhaps at a higher level, all we have to do is click the pending button over here. And all we have to do is click the buy over here because we're going to be selling this over here, right? So we're going to hit the sell button over here. It's going to put us into a sell value. Let's say we want to put the sell value at, I don't know, 685, right? And then we just simply hit this button over here on the sell side, and it's going to create a pending order for us, a pending order, a sell limit at 685 with a stop at 20 points higher and the first target at 10 and the second target at 20. So it will now fully automate the trade. We can just leave it alone. If it executes, it will manage the risk, it will manage the exit, and it will manage the second exit, all fully automatically. And of course, I'm doing this on a 1-minute chart on very, very fast markets in NASDAQ, but you can imagine how useful this could be for those of you who are trading on swing term basis and have longer term charts and targets and just want to make sure that the whole trade is executed from the moment you set it to go. That's the Trade Manager. It allows you to have all this incredible functionality, both as a scalper and as a swing trader. And I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do. Boris Schlossberg, over and out.